social real estate is really, really simple. It's really simple. If I have one person that's rocking with me, and I have a $10 product, that means my social real estate is worth $10. If I have 10 people rocking with me and I have a $100 product, my social real estate is worth $1,000. If I have 100 people rocking with me and I have a $1,000 product, my social real estate is worth $100,000. Just like that. It's that easy and that simple. Okay. So one may ask, how do I get 10 or 100 people to rock with me? The way that you do that is simply by taking time to build relationships with people. Yes. The holy magical answer. You need to actually take time and build real relationships with people. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Business is not a get rich quick scheme. There's no business that you can start that's a real get rich quick scheme. You're going to need to find people who is interested in the products or services that you offer. Now, it's a million ways you can do that. You can do it offline. You can do it online. You can use ads. You can ask for referrals. You can ask a friend, do they know anybody? However you get it done, you need people. And you need a product. However you get it done. You need people. You need a product that's selling for as much as you can sell it for. Period. That is how you make money. It's really not rocket science. You know, I tell people this over and over again. If you want to make 100,000, it's just a quick way. Get a $1,000 product and find 100 people. It's just that simple. Even if that takes you 2 years, that's still 50,000 a year. Some of y'all just let the fear stop you. If you keep thinking what if, and what if it don't happen, and what if, and you're never going to get there. You're never going to make it. You're never going to have the enthusiasm and confidence that it takes to get to that level. You have to have confidence in yourself. You have to have faith. You have to believe in what you're selling or what you're offering. Does it have real life value? If it has real life value, then you should feel like you're doing people a favor. You should feel like people need to have this. Like this knowledge I'm teaching you about building your own private social real estate. That's something that I really, beyond believing, that's something that I know that all businesses need. Even if you're not a business, even if you're just like a worker, a career person, you still need contacts. You still need people to know you, like you, and trust you. People buy from people who they know, like, and trust. Just like that. So whatever your product is, make sure it's valuable. If it's a $100 product, make sure it's worth $200 or $300 or more. Make sure that it's actually worth what you're asking for, if not more, never less. Value is when you give people more than what they are paying for. That's what value is. This camera that I'm recording on, if it's a $100 camera and I sell it to you for $50, that means I give you $50 in value. That's how that works. So, value. The value comes from the people and the products or services. You need products and services that are in demand. You connect those products and services with people who demand those products or services. It's just that simple. You make a website, a nice looking website. Put some reviews on it. If you got to give away freebies just to get some reviews, that's what you got to do. Alright? So that's why we say quality over quantity, because we looking for the quality people. We looking for the quality people. We don't care about the quantity. Right? So once you find the quality people, it's your job to make an offer to them. Really multiple offers. Make offers. We say at least 7. Between 7 and 12 offers and interactions you need to have with them. The rule is 7. I need to, you need to see my product 7 times. I need to tell you about my stuff 7 times. I need to ask you to buy my stuff about 7 times. It takes about 7 interactions before people decide to go ahead and make that purchase. On average, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. But when you're dealing with super fans, it's usually going to be on the less than 7 side. That's why we say super fans. If you're dealing with the quantity, then you might be talking about 7, 8, 9, 12 or more, because those people are low quality. So once you find the quality people, you want to make them as many offers as it takes, usually between 7 to 12 offers, to get them to buy your product or service, right? That's why relationships equal residual income, because you have to nurture relationships with people. People are not going to just buy from strangers and people who they just met today. People buy from people who they know, like, and trust. So you have to like forge a relationship with these people using automation, not from manual DMing and emailing and texting. You will never be able to scale. You would never be able to scale, meaning instead of just having you know, 1,000 fans going to 10,000 fans or 20, 50,000. Scale it. In order to scale, you need to have automation. You get it. Automation. So email, text marketing, things like that, that's how you automate your messaging and in these 7 to 12 interactions. They might see you 3 times on Instagram. You might send them out 3 emails. You might send out 2 texts, 3, 6, 8. That's 8 interactions right there. That might be enough to get the sale. So relationships is how you build residual income. You need to constantly be nurturing these people, not just asking them to buy. You need to actually offer them value. You need to educate. Educate these people. It's the law of reciprocity. You need to give in order to receive. So this is in general what the fan growth formula is about. This is what we teach. So we identify who your fans are. We make them offers. Your fans, the top quality fans is who we're looking for. And we nurture relationships with these people. We build relationships with these people and nurture them by giving value and educating them. And that's how it works. Once you make that many offers, on automation that is, you should be getting some money. So in general, in theory, well, not in theory, this is it. This is how we do it. So if you're interested in that, want to know more, want to start making money, contact us, DM us. We can get a consultation going. If you've heard enough, seen enough already, go ahead and purchase that fan growth system and let's get going. Dopamine Supreme, Royal Marketing, check it out.